Let's talk about Acacia Powder, FDA approved, also really great for sensitive gut, leaky gut, cholesterol, diabetes, all kinds of things. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. It's just amazing stuff and a super prebiotic food. So just got to check this out.
Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist. Get healthy now.
But before I get into that, also, please give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. Please tell other people. Please subscribe. And please watch those ads at the beginning and bring some money our way. We appreciate that in a great way. Also, get a copy of my new book, Live a Cancer-Free Life. Live a Cancer-Free Life. 3 out of 5 of you will come down with cancer. Not good. We can prevent this in a big way. Lower your chances of coming down with cancer. Just Google Live a Cancer-Free Life. It'll come up. I have a wonderful rating on Amazon, and some people have said this is my second Bible. Another person said, it actually helped a couple of my friends go into remission. So wow. And another person said, wow, this is really easy to read. I highly recommend it. On and on and on. So get a copy. It's a short read. And also you can buy it as a Kindle if you want also. It's on Amazon. Well, Acacia Powder has been around for a long, long time. They grow it, acacia trees, all kinds of different places, and also called gum arabic, and it's been used as a thickening agent, also creaming agent, things like that, and forever FDA approved, and lowers body fat, helps with diabetes, a great super prebiotic food. Also helps with stomach pains and inflammation, lowers cholesterol, helps with constipation, even diarrhea. Also, the list goes on and on and on. Where it grows, Africa, India, also in Australia, many other places in the world. It's just been around hundreds and hundreds of years. It's been used and successfully, and it's just amazing stuff. So it's a soluble fiber, and actually 1 tablespoon will give you 29% of your daily needs of fiber. So wow, just amazing. Also lowers body fat. A study in 2012 actually showed, in the Journal of Nutrition, showed that actually 30 grams of this fiber will lower your body mass index without doing anything else by 2%. It's wow, that's an amazing amount also. Helps with IBS. A study with 130 people actually showed that it significantly improved their symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. Also lowers cholesterol. If you have cholesterol problems, taking 5 grams a day in a study, 3 times a day, 5 grams 3 times a day, actually lowered cholesterol up to 15%. I said, wow, that's another wow. Also, no side effects, normal dosages. Some people have allergic reactions once in a great while, but not really. On the average, it's really safe. It could interfere with some medications, but that's very, very rare. But not for those who are, pregnant, nursing, or small children. Also helps with diabetes and really decreases actually the blood sugar. Also helps to prevent spikes in blood sugar, so that's really great. A study shows it increases blood sugar and actually decreases blood sugar and prevents kidney disease in diabetes patients. So if you have diabetes and you don't want to have kidney disease, you want to take this. Also helps with weight loss. Acacia fiber actually helps with decelerating glucose absorption. If you have, a whole bunch of sugar coming in and you gain weight, it actually slows down the absorption of sugar. So that's a really big plus there. A study over 6 weeks, 120 females actually showed that it lowered body mass index and notable reduction in both body fat percentage and body mass index. It stops bleeding. You can make a tea from the powder, and if you have a cut or abrasion, if you put a little bit of the tea on that area, it'll automatically stop bleeding. It's just almost like a styptic pencil, just amazing stuff. Also, it's a great super prebiotic food. And a British Journal of Nutrition actually showed that it actually benefits good bacteria in your gut. We should have 800 million trillion good bacteria in our gut. Most people have very, very little. And this helps to heal the gut and also starts to produce more short-chain fatty acids that start to heal your whole body, including your gut. And so it's really good for that. And some people say it's a perfect meal for your gut and all the good bacteria there. And soothes away sensitive gut issues and stomach issues. Anybody has sensitive stomachs or gas and cramps, you need this. There's no doubt about it. It absolutely is important. Also helps for leaky gut disease and actually tightens up the connections between the cells in the gut so you don't have leaky gut. Also helps with dental plaques. You can actually take the gum itself and chew on that, and it helps to get rid of bacteria. Not as good as tea tree oil, but it really does work. And get rid of plaque buildup on the teeth also, from 75 to 100%. Wow, that's a pretty amazing amount. Also, we're great for sore throats and dry coughs. If you chew on the gum, that also helps with inflammation of the oral cavity. A study found that it's really anti-inflammatory for the gums in general. The dosage, I recommend taking on the average about 1 teaspoon to start with and slowly move up to a tablespoon daily. That really is great. You can find it on Amazon, eBay, health food stores. I like the Now brand, N-O-W brand, but there's a lot of different brands out there, and I have found them. It's just ground up acacia, so it's pretty great stuff. And you want to check it out and try some yourself for sure. If you have chronic disease going on, let's get rid of that. There's no reason for, we're coming into the fall, the holidays will be coming pretty soon, and, Thanksgiving will be with us in no time. Let's get rid of that chronic disease, whatever it is. Just had a man call me, he have diverticulitis. There's no reason to have that. We can get rid of it. Call me at 831-869-9119. 831-869-9119. And also my email address is at the end of the video. And if you hit show more, it's down below also. And let's make a change in your life so you can enjoy the holidays and have a great time. So remember a couple things. Remember God. And remember, I love you.